And new at 5:30, protecting our children.
School leaders in Pontiac joining parents and students to discuss the issue of mental health awareness with Governor Gretchen Whitmer. According to the CDC, 37% of high school students have reported mental health struggles during the pandemic.
7 Action News reporter Simon Shaquette is asking tough questions about how proposed dollars could be spent and where resources are most needed.
A lot of the focus of today's roundtable here at Pontiac High School centered on the need to be there for our kids now more than ever and to ensure there's adequate funding for mental health resources.
With my friends, they've, been sort of depressed with at-home stuff, and to bring it to school, it's hard.
As a student at Pontiac High School, Darian Laws Wilson says there's a growing need for more funding to combat common mental health struggles like anxiety and depression. Parents Melissa McQueen and Samantha Usselman also taking part in a roundtable discussion with the governor, who came to hear about students' needs firsthand.
I definitely am a firm believer of starting much younger. Us as parents who may have experienced trauma may not have had resources such as this.
How do you think additional funding would make a difference?
Oh, I think it's much needed. My son is autistic and he shares the same traumas, and it'd just be so much easier if they do start younger and help.
According to a national survey on drug use and health by the Pew Research Center, 13% of U.S. teens ages 12 to 17 have experienced at least one major depressive episode. Today's discussion comes after the governor put forth a plan to spend $361 million for school-based services, including $120 million to hire more professionals and $11 million to open school-based health centers. She says she hopes to see it pass by early July.
How great is the need for more mental health resources in our schools?
Well, there's no question. It is real. Our kids have been through a lot, just like every one of us has, and recognizing to get our kids back on track, we've got to meet their needs.
A lot of depression and anxiety around the trauma that's going on in the homes. And we are really sometimes the only outlet.
Superintendent Kelly Williams stressing importance of giving kids someone to talk to and consistently demonstrating someone cares. It's also a matter of saving lives, according to U.S. Representative Brenda Lawrence.
You look at these individuals who do the mass shootings and have these deadly actions in the public. We identify mental health, but we don't push people to get the help. And in some cases, the help isn't even available.
Congresswoman Brenda Lawrence says she's also fighting for more funding at the federal level because each of us must play a role in addressing this critical issue. From Pontiac, Simon Shaquette, 7 Action News.
And tonight on 7 Up Front, we are talking with Congresswoman Brenda Lawrence about the importance of mental health funding for schools. That's on 7 Action News tonight at 7.